क्या आपको पता है कि आप किसी भी टेक्स्ट मैसेज को शेड्यूल टू सेंड लेटर कर सकते हैं, वो भी मन चाहे डेट और टाइम पे सेंड कर सकते हैं ऑटोमेटिकली। या फिर आप बहुत सारे OTP मैसेजेस से परेशान हो चुके हैं अपने फोन में एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम फीचर्स दैट कैन ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीट दोज मैसेजेस आफ्टर 24 आवर्स। वेल यू कैन। इतना ही नहीं, इसके साथ साथ आप बहुत सारे हिडन फीचर्स यूज कर सकते हैं जो कि अवेलेबल है गूगल मैसेजिंग ऐप के अंदर। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग ये जानेंगे टॉप 9 hidden Google messaging features which I personally like. That's why I am using Google messaging app over other stock messaging apps. Hello दोस्तों, कैसे हो सब लोग? Welcome back to my channel. This is Manish and you are currently watching Tech Talk. जैसा कि मैंने पहले कहा कि आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग जानने वाले हैं 9 टॉप हिडन फीचर्स विद इन द गूगल मैसेजिंग एप्स which I personally like. तो are you ready? Let's start. तो हिडन फीचर नंबर 1 है हमारा स्मार्ट रिप्लाई। जी हाँ दोस्तों, अगर आप गूगल मैसेजिंग ऐप के अंदर स्मार्ट रिप्लाई को एनेबल करते हो then this app will give you suggestions about your replies. Yes, whatever suggestions suits you more, just select it. Yeah, that's it. You don't have to type to reply to your friends or colleagues. To enable this feature, you just have to tap on 3 dot button on top right corner of your Google messaging homepage. And there you click on settings and then go to general and then click on suggestions, and there you just need to make sure all the suggestions features are toggled on. Next hidden feature number 2 is auto delete OTPs. अगर आपने इस फीचर को एनेबल कर रखा है then all the OTP messages within your phone will get deleted automatically after 24 hours from the time you receive it. Yes friends, जैसा कि हमें पता है कि OTP messages का यूज हमें सिर्फ एक बार के लिए होता है, then why to keep those messages in our phone for forever, or why to waste our time in deleting those messages one by one? This app automatically detects all your OTP messages and delete them automatically after 24 hours. To enable this feature, you just have to go on 3 dot button on top right corner within your Google messaging homepage, and there you will find settings, and then within settings click on message organization, and there you just need to make sure you have toggled on auto delete OTPs after 24 hours. Personally, I like this feature very much because it keeps my messaging app clutter free and organized by deleting such unnecessary messages. So far, if you are enjoying my video, it is my humble request to you all to please subscribe to my channel और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके हमें ढेर सारा प्यार दें। Also friends, hit the like button and do not forget to share with your friends. अगर आपको इस वीडियो में कोई भी चीज़ अच्छा लगे या फिर आपका कोई सुझाव हो तो इस वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट करना मत भूलना। Your comments will help me to improve my contents. तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट हिडन फीचर नंबर 3 की ओर। Next feature is pinch to zoom in and zoom out. Yes दोस्तों, this feature is useful if the font text of your phone is too small and you want to read your text messages clearly. To use this feature, you just have to zoom in to enlarge the font size of your text messages or zoom out to go back to previous condition. Like you are doing pinch to zoom in and out for images with 2 fingers. तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट हिडन फीचर नंबर 4 की ओर, which is spam protection. If you want to get away from the spam messages, then definitely you need to enable this feature within the Google messaging app. To enable this feature, you just have to click on 3 dot button on the top right corner within the home page of Google messaging app. There you will find settings and then click on general and then go to spam protection. There you just need to make sure you have toggled on that setting if it is not already on. Still, if you are receiving any spam messages even after you have already enabled spam protection, then you can also block and report individual messages, so in future you will not get similar kind of spam messages. To block and report spam messages individually, you just need to go to that particular messages which you want to block and then click on 3 dot button on top right corner. There you will find details. Click on details and there you will get option block and report. Just click on that. Our next hidden feature number 5 is pin the conversation. Yes, this is the same feature as you get in iMessages or in WhatsApp. You can pin any of your favorite contacts on top so that in future you can easily access them. To pin the conversation on the top, you just need to long press the conversation, and then on the top you will find pin icon. Just click on that. It is done. Next time onwards, you can easily access that conversation which will be pinned on the top. Next hidden feature number 6 is to mark any important messages as starred, so you can easily access them in future whenever you need them. To mark any messages as starred, you just have to open that conversation and select that particular message you want to mark as starred. Long press that particular message, and then on top you will get star icon. Just click on star to mark that particular message as a starred message. To access all your starred messages, you just have to click on 3-dot button on top right corner within the home page of your Google messaging app. There you will find starred messages. Just click on that to access all your starred messages easily. Okay, next hidden feature number 7 is quickly share your locations with your contact. Yes, this is the same feature as you get in Google Maps or in WhatsApp. To share your location with your contacts, you just have to go to that particular conversation, and bottom left corner you will find plus icon. Just click on plus icon, and then you will find share location option. Click on that, and then you will see two options. You want to share precise location or approximate location, whatever you want to share. Just click on that. Your location will be shared with your contacts through message. Next is hidden feature number 8. This is one of the best feature, which is using the Google messaging app on the web. This feature is also helpful when you are working on your PC and you want to access all your text messages, or you want to reply to your contacts without touching your phone. To use this feature, you just have to click on top 3 button on top right corner on home page of Google Message app, and then click on device pairing. And also in your PC or in your tablet in web browser, you just have to open a link. The link I have also given in the description below. You can use that link as well to open all your Google messages on the web. Once you open that link on your web browser in your PC or in your tablet, it will ask you to scan a QR code from your mobile phone. So from your mobile phone, within the device pairing option, you just have to scan that particular QR code which you are seeing on your PC. Once you scan your QR code, you will be able to see all your phone messages on your PC web browser. Let's move to our last hidden feature number 9, which is scheduling messages to send it later. Yes, this feature is very much helpful, especially if you keep forgetting to wish your closed one on their birthdays or on their anniversaries. This feature will automatically send them messages on particular date and time you selected. To use this feature, you just have to go to that conversation you want to send the message, and there type that particular message you want to schedule it. After typing the message, instead of hitting the send button, you just have to long press the send button, and there you will get schedule send option. Click on that and select your preferred date and time on which you want to send your message. Once you have done this, then sit back and relax. This messaging app will automatically send that particular message on the date and time you have selected. If in case you want to update your message और डिलीट योर मैसेज बिफोर इट इज सेंड, यू हैव दैट ऑप्शन एज वेल। तो दोस्तों, इन सभी बेस्ट हिडन फीचर्स में से कौन सा फीचर आपको सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगा, प्लीज कमेंट करके हमें भी बताइए। और इसके अलावा और भी कोई फीचर्स है जो कि आपको पर्सनली अच्छा लगता है तो वो भी हमें बताना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। मुझे उम्मीद है अगर आप अब तक हमारे इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं तो आपने हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब तो कर ही लिया होगा। तो दोस्तों, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, गुड बाय।